Hello there. Welcome to another edition of Nick's Friction Zone. I got another tip of the day for you. Today we're going to talk about foot placement on your peg. This is a very small detail, but it's good advice. Okay, so check it out. So when you have to rest your foot on a peg, always make sure that you rest it against the balls of your feet. Okay, that's the big area right after the toes. You never want to rest your foot on your arch, and you especially don't want to rest your foot on your heel. This is a big no-no. I'll give you two reasons why you shouldn't ride like this. Reason number one is because if you rest your foot against the heel, and let's say you're riding down the street and you encounter a speed bump, all of a sudden, okay, your first instinct is to alleviate the speed bump by standing up. If you stand up with your heels on your peg, you might end up pressing your brake pedal by mistake. So that is mistake number one. Mistake number two is a lot of times if you're riding it this way, your instinct might be to move your foot to the side. It could just happen. I've seen a lot of guys do that. They move your foot to the side. Okay, this can be very dangerous because if you're going down the road and you encounter a curve and you need to lean your motorcycle, if you lean your motorcycle while your foot is hanging out, you are for sure gonna scrape the side of your feet against the pavement on the road. So when you start scraping the road with your foot, you can end up getting caught and you could sprain your ankle, you could lose balance, and you could crash, okay? So again, never rest your foot on your heel. By preference, try to rest this way on the balls of your feet, and whenever you need to use the brake um, or if you need to change gears, you can just move up like this. Okay, that's all I have for today, guys. Until next time, take care. Bye.